Eliminating the need for a spare tire, Mitsubishi's tire repair kit makes it easy to temporarily repair a minor puncture in the tire tread area. A few helpful items are included in the tire repair kit, including an air compressor and tire sealant. The air compressor is used to inject the tire sealant and inflate your tire at the same time, temporarily sealing a small hole or puncture so you can drive to your nearest authorized Mitsubishi dealer or utilize Mitsubishi roadside assistance. Check the date on the tire sealant bottle label and order a new one from Mitsubishi before it expires. Typically, shelf life is about 5 years from the date the vehicle was manufactured. Now let's say you need to use your tire repair kit while you're on the road. With your vehicle safely stopped, the transmission placed in park, and the hazards on, remove your tire repair kit for use. From there, prep the sealant and the compressor, and then refer to your owner's manual for step-by-step instructions and safety warnings. After you've completed the repair, immediately drive to a service shop. It's highly recommended that you drive to your nearest certified Mitsubishi dealer for a tire repair or replacement. You can return your empty sealant bottle and purchase a new one from Mitsubishi to replenish your kit while you're there.